Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hi Arjun.
Hi.
Today we are doing what? Cold water, hot water experiment. I have 2 glasses. One cold water, I'll get the hot water later. I got 2 colors, blue and red. We will mix and make the colors, and I have one plastic sheet. If not, I can use a card, debit card or a credit card. Okay, I'll put the red color, a drop of it, and Arjun will put the blue. Come take the blue.
Okay.
Little bit in here. 1 drop.
Okay.
We'll mix it later. Okay.
I'll mix it later with food.
Yeah, I'll get you a spoon. Yeah, perfect. Now I will mix the red with hot water. Now it's ready with hot water and cold water. Now to add a little surprise to Arjun, we are using glitter. Okay Arjun, you put it in blue or red?
This one.
Yeah. We should be very careful with hot water, so I am doing it, and Arjun will what is the change of the color. If you put hot water to the cold water, or the other way around, we are seeing cold water, we are putting it in the hot water, and we will see how that will change the color. Arjun, shall we do it? Give me. Okay. It's okay. So nice.
Purple like
It's a purple. Wow.
Let's try again.
Yes, we will do it again.
Wow.
Yeah. Now we are ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Before you have put cold water on the hot water and we saw the color change. Now we are putting the hot water onto this one and we'll see whether the color is changing or not. I think this is very delicate. I will use a card for that. I'm using a card like this. Okay, Arjun, but it's very hot. We have to be very careful, okay? I think this is only better idea. Yes. We will remove it slowly. Aha! What a slow change of color. Beautiful. This is because the cold water is more denser and hot water is less denser. So the hot water is traveling to the more denser cold water. Because it usually it don't mix up, but it has mixed because the hot water is not so hot. It's not boiling hot. I took a little bit warm water. So this is
Let's do
again. Yeah, we will do it again. So this is it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Bye.